Are you falling into the traps that strip away your wealth, trapping you in the cycle of the middle class? Ignoring these traps can harm your financial well-being and keep you dependent on a steady income. Many individuals go through life on autopilot, unaware of the small actions that hold them back from achieving the wealth they desire. It can seem like there's never enough extra money, no matter how much you earn, to invest for the future or make important purchases. By avoiding these common middle-class money traps, particularly the number one trap, you can break free from the cycle and secure the financial stability to live the life you want. Welcome to Budget Boosters, where we make finance simple and easy to understand. Our goal is to provide you with easy finance tips to help you improve your financial future. Whether you're interested in personal finance, investing, or just wanted to learn more about money, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Let's work together to boost your budget and take control of your financial future. Avoiding risks. Taking risks is a fundamental aspect of growth, and without it, you will remain stagnant. To advance in life, you need to evaluate the potential rewards and risks involved in making a decision, be it a new job, career change, or starting a business with uncertain outcomes. Although these actions can be risky, they can bring life-changing rewards if they are successful. However, you can mitigate potential negative outcomes by being well prepared, such as having an emergency fund or a backup plan. Regardless of whether you're investing in a property or holding cash, there will always be a level of risk involved, including the risk of inflation. Refusing to adapt. If you're unwilling to make changes to enhance your circumstances, you may be losing out on substantial growth. It's natural to be intimidated by change, as people tend to seek comfort and stability. However, sometimes change is necessary for progress. For instance, you may consider relocating to a less preferable location to free up more income, or taking in a roommate to speed up debt repayment, or even pursuing a new job that pays 20% more but requires a new environment and colleagues. These changes, although unsettling, can bring about opportunities for growth. Improper spending habits. Many people fall into the trap of thinking that they deserve to spend money on things or experiences as a reward for their hard work. While it's true that treating yourself can be important, it's important to consider whether these purchases are actually setting you back financially. Purchasing a brand new car with financing may seem like a great reward, but if it's putting a strain on your finances and limiting your ability to build wealth, it's not really worth it. Pretending money doesn't matter. People who are struggling financially often say that they don't care about money, but this is simply not true. Nearly every decision we make is influenced by the amount of money we have, and we all want to live a comfortable life. While it's fine if someone doesn't care about becoming rich, it's important to acknowledge the role that money plays in our lives and to care about it to some extent. Claiming that you don't care about money is often a way of downplaying its importance, when in reality, it affects nearly every aspect of our lives. Lack of investment knowledge. Familiarizing yourself with the basics of investing can greatly benefit your future financial stability, as a significant portion of your wealth will come from your investment returns. To make informed investment decisions that suit your personal circumstances, it's crucial to understand what you're investing in and the advantages and disadvantages of alternative options. Relying on the advice of non-financially stable friends and family, or blindly following the advice of a financial advisor, is a risky approach to investing. To put this into perspective, if you were to invest $10,000 and contribute $500 monthly for 30 years with a 7% annual return, your total wealth would be $682,000. However, if the annual return was 10%, the total wealth would be over $1,260,000, which is a difference of $578,000. By being aware of what you're invested in, you can avoid missing out on potential growth opportunities. Active trading. Attempting to outperform the market by continuously buying and selling based on market movements is a strategy that often leads to loss. While it may be possible for experts such as Warren Buffett and Peter Lynch to succeed in this approach, the majority of individuals will find it challenging to do so consistently due to the impact of investment fees, taxes, and emotions. Instead of trying to beat the market, aim to match the average return of the S&P 500, which is around 10% per year. The temptation to time the market by selling at the peak and buying at the bottom may seem appealing, but it is a complex process that can lead to a focus on short-term market fluctuations rather than long-term goals. Skipping homeownership. Owning a home could be one of the most beneficial investments you make, but you need to be careful. For those who meet the criteria, homeownership could be a great way to enhance your financial situation. According to the Federal Reserve, homeowners have an average net worth of $255,000 compared to just $6,000 for renters. This is because homeowners are gradually increasing their equity through mortgage payments and rising home prices. This asset can open up new opportunities in the future, such as renting, selling, tapping into equity, and more. In addition, housing costs remain relatively stable, with only slight increases in utilities, taxes, and maintenance over time, while the cost of the house remains constant. Believing that these principles won't work for you. The mentality of believing that these financial tips won't work for you will prevent you from making progress. While it may seem like you can't escape a difficult financial situation, there are usually options available to you. Some individuals who say that these tips don't work for them simply aren't willing to make the necessary sacrifices, life changes, or take risks to improve their situation. Building wealth is easier for some than others, but following these suggestions can lead to an improved lifestyle. Identifying which money traps you fall victim to and avoiding them is crucial for creating a better financial future. It may not require a drastic change, but by avoiding these toxic traps, you can begin to build wealth. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or wanted to learn more about finance, leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more simple finance tips.